Hei, da er jeg på Sonos lansering I København for å se på de nye hodetelefonene som Sonos lanserer. De kommer I salg I juni og har en prislapp på 499 euro. Så får vi se hva det blir I norske kroner. Can you tell me a little bit about the product, the design philosophy?
Yeah, so Sonos wants to create products which are timeless. So what we wanted to do here is create something that would last for a long time and look relevant for a long time. Yeah, we've taken what we've done for the last 20 years in speakers and applied it with more ergonomics and the aesthetic side with the directionality that we have coming through with a new range of products into something that is wearable. So it looks good, it looks comfortable, and it's appropriate for everyone.
Yeah. And they're quite expensive. Are you like taking on competition with the Apple?
With all the technology that we put in, with all the premium quality materials that we've used, we think it's the appropriate price point for how good a quality of sound and all the innovation and the technology that we've got inside.
So what are like the main focus? What's been the main focus? Is comfort, sound, is it everything or?
So sounds, obviously with our background in sound quality, sound is the primary thing that we have pivoted on. A secondary thing to that is comfort. We want to make sure that it is as comfortable and as light as possible on the head.
Have you tested many different designs or?
There's been a few designs and a few iterations over the years, but we only release products when they're right. Obviously with sound, we've been thinking about doing headphones for 20 years as long as Sonos has been around. But this is the appropriate time for us to release a headphone, taking into account home theatre, where we are with that. And they're at the right fidelity and at the right level of quality of product. So it is the right time for us to enter the market.
Yeah.
Sort of pivots here, and so that's hidden so you don't catch on any hair or anything like that. But also we have a silicone sleeve underneath that protects any moisture from getting into the inner workings. So it feels really premium, this slide that we've done. We worked a lot on making sure that we've got the right sort of slide and feel and weight, so that this feels as premium as possible.
Så det Sonos Ace. Gleder meg til å teste disse. Jeg tror det, for teknokratiet fra København på en side.